Greetings to all Mooners and members of the public. I am Hitesh, Director of Global Alliances. Today I am here to make some serious announcement. It is out of respect for the current situation of COVID which our country is facing. We see it only fit to postpone the token allocation of third and fourth slot till this pandemic is under control. This pandemic affected the whole world, including my beloved country, India. I have a first-hand experience on the ground of my country people dying in mass numbers and much more suffering. This suffering hit home when one of our Mooner got infected and finally succumbed to this unseen virus. Deep inside, I feel sales of tokens during this period is disrespect, especially in the wake of second wave of this pandemic that is inflicting our great nation. This forced our nation into a lockdown mode, which moved me strongly towards the decision of postponement till this pandemic is under control. Friends, lives over profit. This is our motto. And believe me, this is the right decision. I have relayed this decision to the Mooner team, and I am proud to say that they support as well stand by my decision. The development of Mooner app will continue as scheduled. We should not stop but continue to build the application during these troubled times. To all concerned, Mooner is still on course. I see the Mooner application solving a lot of socio-economic problems during and in the aftermath of this pandemic. I would like to reassure the public and the Mooners that throughout this period we are available via all our communication channels and social media outlets, including our regular Zoom meet this Wednesday, 2nd June 2021 at 5:30 p.m. IST. We will be available to answer the questions and clarify the queries as we always do. We would also like to start a conversation with how global alliances and our Mooner community can be of service during this pandemic. We know that lockdowns are being implemented in multiple countries. We urge to all Mooners to follow the government warnings and be safe, as this is very, very essential to defeat this unseen enemy. Finally, I have to stress that we stay strong and safe during this period, and most of all, we shall overcome. Thanks.